My name is Adam Johnston. I'm with Bundaberg Regional Council as their Manager of Design.
My name is June Jogo and I'm a PhD student from QUT.
My name's John Tannock. I'm the Principal Engineer Pavements at Ipswich City Council.
Today I'm attending the Pavement Materials and Geotechnical Masterclass provided by TMR and IPWEAQ. My take from today's masterclass is that the use of recycled materials in pavements is well researched, definitely from the outcomes of TMR, backed with solid outcomes, and is helping to reduce waste in our society.
I've gotten to know that there's a lot of research going on, especially on the use of waste materials in pavement technology. As we head towards a waste-free world, I think it's really important that we have such kind of research and scientific knowledge on how we can use waste materials in pavement design.
I think I got out of one session there when they talked about foam bitumen. It's not just about maximising the dollar savings in terms of depth of pavement, but having fit for purpose, and particularly in the area of foam bitumen, where roads are subject to flooding, virtually return to full service once the flooding's receded, whereas on different pavement materials the road might fall apart if you put the traffic on straight away.
The masterclass has helped contributed to the practical use, in my understanding anyway, because it provides us with mixed designs, some parameters that you can use in your modelling, and as a result of those to give you some economic justification for the use of materials.
Will benefit me, especially in my research, because now I know that there's a lot of value that has been placed on the use of recycled materials in pavements, and yeah, that's a very big takeaway for me from this masterclass.
I feel it should benefit our organisation in the first instance because it can justify the use of recycled materials in pavements, whether that's in our pavement materials or in asphalt, in a manner that can be backed by science, by outcomes, and provide some economic justification for their use.
I think it all comes down to dollar savings and more effective pavement designs. Any roadworks infrastructure project, the pavement forms a significant portion of the cost, and in the past I don't really think that's been recognised by a lot of organisations. They just come up with a pavement design as long as it gets its 20-year life and doesn't fail prematurely. Everyone thinks job well done. In actual fact, there could have been cheaper and more effective options available, and particularly with today's advancing technologies, that's more and more the case, I believe.
I think the program was really good. It was well structured, and the presenters are very knowledgeable and experienced.
It's always interesting to hear from Rama and his team because to me they're leading the way in a lot of the research that's going on.
From my point of view, the program today was presented in a very personalised manner, where they not only gave us some information, but they gave background examples and practical applications of how you can use recycled materials to reduce waste in our society. Not only that, they've also given the names of the various presenters with emails and the backing standards, so that if we come to an impasse, you've actually got somebody that you can contact who are experts in those areas that will help us.
Look, I think the program is brilliant, particularly Rama, I feel, explains things very in a way that can be easily understood. There was a principle, without mentioning it in detail, in my uni days I could never understand one particular concept, and for years I fumbled my way through, and then I was at a Rama run workshop a number of years ago and explained it in about 2 minutes. I suddenly understood. We're lucky to have such talented people here to inform us.